Yes, sir.
This initiative, how to prevent a crime. Body offenses sometimes we are not able to prevent it, but cyber frauds we can definitely prevent happening. Once all remain aware of the cyber frauds, they will not able to penetrate in our apps or in Facebook or other internet, and their cheating ability will reduce. So this is even after so much awareness in FM or in newspaper, but still every day we are receiving so many complaints of the cyber frauds. This is one of the awareness drive we have organized, because we have taken a challenge that we will try to prevent the crimes. These are instructions from high level so that we make awareness. We have started from this area. Slowly in my division we'll go to Mapusa and in Anjuna, so that we'll arrange this program, and these little students who are 11th standard, 12th standard, they can go home and tell their family members, brothers, sisters, so that this is a new beginning we have started to prevent the crime. The thefts happen because we close the door, we go somewhere, but these internet frauds happen because of our mistake, lack of awareness. So this PI Power is working in a cyber cell. He has in-depth knowledge, and he has shared the knowledge with all the students and the teachers. So this is one of the good initiatives we have started. And of course, thanking very much for headmaster who has given a place and volunteered to welcome us for this great event, and that's why we could enter this school. Also thanking the chairperson of this school, Mr. Tanade sir. And of course my PI, who has really liaisoned with chairperson, headmaster, arranging this, everything. It is really a good job. And we all as a team spreading this knowledge. And thanking everyone for covering this event.
सर जग म्हणटा डिजिटलायजेशन जाला डिजिटल पण हे डिजिटलायजेशन कितले सेफ आसा आणि कितले हे कर्स का भूल
digitalization is safe, but we have to be careful. Now we have you won the lottery of 25 lakhs rupees. In fact, my family member was pray for this. He deposit 25,000, you will get 25 lakhs. So these things we can avoid such thing. Otherwise, and giving PIN, we say that okay, you are getting a new, you are updated your ATM card to tune up is 1 lakh, 2 lakh. We want some detail, and we share the details. And you now OTP will come. Please tell the OTP number. So this is not possible unless we are less aware. We are spreading this awareness and of this fraud which is happening day to day. And the lectures are already given. All type of fraud we are already covered.
Sir, teachers, parents, students, along with the parents we educate जाल्ले याच्याबद्दल असे चढ गरजेचे असे दिसतात.
Yeah, today I requested to call parents, but somehow yesterday Saturday there was parent-teacher meeting was there, so it's a less time it was there. But next time definitely. Today sir we have to call parents also, but we will do next time. That is same thought came in my mind. Thank you.